the sides up, it'll give you more support. No. Pull these. Pull those for him. There you go.
Oh, that's better.
That's better, huh? He's still sitting on the weights.
Maybe that would work back there on top here.
What would?
Exactly.
Don't leave the sausages at home.
You put them on for buoyancy. Just like Fred Babea said. No.
Do you want to get in, hon? We're
Get
all
in the front.
holding it. You can jump in the front.
Come on, Mom.
See what it's like.
Let's get a video of this.
Here, don't stay right there. She's going to get in the front.
Hey, Betty,
Not me.
grab my shoes,
Oh,
please.
the shoes are coming off. Oh, he's taking his shoes off. That is fun.
Huh?
Why are you taking them
Because
off?
I can't put them into the straps.
What do you need? Just a summer suit?
Mom, get in.
I'm getting in. Got in.
Oh, this is great.
Oh, I like that.
Well, I can see us doing like this, but I can see you dumping us and blaming me.
No, I can see her saying, over there, Ken.
Yes.
Over there, Ken.
Hey, honey, who was the one that dumped in the canoe last time we went?
Hey, but you weren't, I wasn't in the same one with you. If it was, it would have been my fault.
Well, yeah.
Are you pedaling?
Yep.
How fast are we going?
Probably about 8 miles an hour.
8 miles.
We ain't going anywhere.
This, you guys should buy one of these and put it in your living room. Just go get some
Watch
extra.
it, yeah, let's
Watch
do this.
TV.
Put it on a video of this.
Shut up. Nicer than that.
Just get a big screen that has
Boom.
water on it.
There you go.
And just look at it like, you know, they're doing Disneyland.
And put on the fishing channel where the guys are catching salmon. And
I think they need this.
Okay, stop right there.
oh, there.